I'm the branch secretary of Kenya Union of Clinic Officers. We are greatly concerned as health workers because of the transfers that are happening in the department. Yesterday, we were very much surprised after the Director of Public Health was transferred or relinquished from his duties and the position given to someone else who is not even a medic. He has not done anything with concerning the public health. We doesn't understand how he is going to guide people who have gone to school, who have been trained at different levels of education and are licensed to practice at the public health officers. They have been given, he has been given that supervisory role, whereas he doesn't have the knowledge, the skill and the experience to be able to guide people who are professionals. These transfers are not well thought of, discussed as it's supposed to be, and done accordingly to the needs of that position. And that is why you can see someone is being appointed into a position, within 2 days he is removed. We want to tell our county secretaries that kindly, as the head of public service in Meru County, do not water down professionalism. Do not water down the habits and evils that are supposed to guide public servants. We also saw a situation where the administration of Meru level 5 was all of it removed from office just because they had declined to give a tender to a company, company, a tender which was worth 13.2 million, and that warranted all of them to be removed from office.